Hello and welcome to Genius Solutions Walkthrough. Today we will be viewing request for quotation in Genius Manufacturing and its integration with Excel. We're currently in the purchase order module and the request for quotation button, indicated by a green addition sign in this top left menu. Once this button is pressed, a new RFQ and PO will be created. We can then add the items we would like to send to our vendors in order to receive prices from them. For this example, my first item will be a motor with quantity of 3. Our second item will be a bolt with quantity of 20. And finally, our third item is an SKF bearing with a quantity of 3. We now have a new purchase order, or PO, with the type of RFQ in the system containing 3 items. We will then save this PO and an ID number will be generated. We will then click on the smaller request for quotation button inside the PO menu. A new RFQ screen will pop up and we can add a list of vendors to whom we will like to send this request for these particular items. We'll select the first product and click on the Qualified Vendors button at the top menu of the screen. We can then see that we have 3 qualified vendors for this product. We then select which vendors we would like to send this RFQ to. We repeat these steps for the other products. We can also add vendors on the fly by simply selecting the Add button on the top menu. Once we have added our vendors, we will select which vendors we would like for each product by clicking the checkboxes next to the Excel icon. We will then save and select Send by Email on the top menu. An Excel file will be generated directly in the email. Once we send this first Excel RFQ to the first vendor, a second email will automatically pop up with the second Excel sheet for the next vendor we selected. This will occur for every vendor we have selected. Once vendors have received these Excel files, they can fill them out and send them back. We can then select Edit, followed by Import, and we can import the received Excel files. Once we import them, the quoted price will automatically appear. Once all the received Excel files are imported, all the prices are available. We then select which vendor we want to use. We then save and select Convert to PO in order to complete the purchase order for these items. If you would like to know more, please visit our website at www.geniuserp.com or send us a quick email at sales@geniuserp.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next walkthrough.